Hello once again. This is the third and final non-running locomotive I got from the second-hand shop. Well, I say final, you never know what might come in the future, but I bought three and this is the third of them. And it is a Hornby R450 LMS 440 Class 2P Fowler locomotive. And this was made back in Hornby's Rovex days. And it's boxed and in pretty good condition. But it is apparently a non-runner. I haven't even taken this out of the box yet, so I have no idea if it's got any life in it at all. I already have one of these locomotives. I've got the R2099A, this one, sort of a newer version of the same locomotive. And I did a video on doing this up. It's not a bad little locomotive. It's got a little missing panel there, which I've never managed to replace yet. But this is a tender-driven locomotive. I mean, this is a more detailed model. It's a nicer looking, version of the locomotive. But this one being locomotive-driven kind of appeals to me more. So I dare say it's probably got, well, from Rovex days, I'd imagine it's got an XO4 motor in it. So let's take it out, see what it looks like. Oh, we've even got the instruction booklet as well underneath this, so we can see what year it was made. 1973. Excellent. Please read before use. Yeah, of course. Right. So if this is made in 1973, it makes it 47 years old. Blimey. And it's actually in pretty good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or bashes. Even the wheels are relatively clean. Pickup's clean. It's all in very good condition. I dare say if I can get this going, it's going to have noise issues. But yeah. So let's go and pop this on the layout and see what happens when we power up. So power on. Nothing at all. Nope, absolutely nothing. Okie dokie, let's go and take it to bits. Righto, okay, so this is completely dead, but given the condition of the thing, I'm pretty hopeful that it's not going to be anything too serious. There's a screw in the front here which will undo. And is that then just going to lift off? Yep. Oh, well, straight away I've seen a problem. Let's just put that to one side. The brush retention clip is broken in the top there. Look. So that's probably why it's not running. Let's have a wee look at the rest of it. It's exceptionally clean, given that this is 47 years old. Wow. That really is in really good condition. Look at it. So it's an XO4 motor, as I suspected it would be. The oil reserves, the felt oil reserves, are very dry looking, so I don't think this has ever seen any oil. Yeah, so I wonder why the spring retention clip got broken, or how it got broken. Fortunately, I do have a spare one, so we can pop one on. Just to see if that is the problem. I've got a spare clip here. So I think we'll pop this on and see if it actually has any life in it. Because who knows, maybe there's another problem. But let's put this on. Wow, the magnet is really strong. For a 47-year-old XO4 magnet, that's really good. Right. Okie dokie. Where's my battery? Let's see if this has any life with a battery. Yes, it does. Well, that's all the problem was. Let's go and put this on the layout now and see what kind of noise it makes. Okay, power on. Ooh, no, smoke. Let's just try it again. Yeah, there's smoke coming off the brushes. So I think we'll need to take them out and give everything a clean. So just a very close look at the brushes, and they're in very good condition, but they are very, very dirty. And the oh crikey. I didn't think that commutator was quite as dirty as that, but now when I see it, oh Jesus. Right, okay. It's all going to have to come out. Alright. I really don't want to take the magnet out, because there's a chance if I take it out, it could very quickly lose its power. Which is a pity, because I'd like to get grease into the bearing, but I don't know if you can see that commutator there, it's pretty manky. Everything else seems absolutely fine, but you can see the oil felt reservoir, front and back, it's very, very dry. So we need to get plenty of oil in there, and we need to clean this commutator. So, as I say, I'm trying to just deal with this without taking it apart too much, because I don't want to remove that. So I'm just using a very small screwdriver to get into the gaps in the commutator, rather than a pin. This is much better than a pin. Right, brush is clean. Right, okay. Let's get some oil into this. So I'm going to put oil right directly into the bearing, first of all. And then give the felt a good soak. And same with this, I'm just going to get oil directly into the bearing. On both sides, so I can get into this side as well. And then again, plenty of oil in the reservoir. Okay, so that spins really nice. Like I say, the magnet's amazing considering its age. Alrighty ho, let's have a wee look at the chassis. Which is all just, as clean as you could ever expect it to be. The pickups are clean, wheels are clean, the gear's clean. That really doesn't need much done to it. We'll give the linkages a wee touch of oil. Let me just try and get a wee bit of oil into the axles, not too much. And we'll put some oil on the worm. You actually get some grease on that actually. I'm pretty sure the smoke was just the dirt on the commutator. Just wasn't making good contact, and hopefully just giving that a clean and giving the brushes a clean, giving it an oil, is going to be enough to make this go. Right, okay, let's try again. Alright, power on. Well, it's moving. That's not bad. That's not bad at all, actually. Right, let's go and stick the body on. Righto, power it up. So that's the R450 LMS 440 Class 2P Fowler locomotive, running again, 47 years on. Right, okay folks, we'll see you later.